Hello students, today I am going to show you how to join Google Classroom through the link and how to submit your written assignment in Google Classroom using your mobile phone. So let's start. First of all, you should have two important applications in your phone. First one is Google Classroom. You can download it from the Play Store. Another one is very important, document scanner app. If you do not have any document scanner, go to the Play Store, type here doc scanner. So you have many more apps, download any one from it. As I have Adobe Scanner in my mobile phone, so I need not download it again. So, for joining Google Classroom, go to the link. As I have one Google Classroom link in my WhatsApp, see here one is the Google Classroom link that I have. Click on this link and you directly go inside the Google Classroom app. Yes, see here have one option, join class, and in your bottom of the screen you have switch account, right? To switch account is very important. If you click on this option, you have all different logged in Google accounts that you have in your mobile phone. Choose as per your required Gmail ID. For this classroom, I am using this Gmail account and click on join class. Now I enter the classroom and I am a student of this classroom now. The option classwork to submit my assignment. Right? So click on classwork. See, here I have one assignment. Click on the assignment 1. Click on this. Here I have another one option, that is your work. Swipe up this upward arrow. Here I have an option, it is add attachment, right? So click on the add attachment option. You have so many options to click your file. Here I am choosing this file option. So for that attachment you need to ready your file. For that, now I am stop this application and going to Adobe Scanner. So opening this Adobe Scan and I am scanning one of my written assignment. I am showing you. Yes, the 2 pages I am clicking of my assignment. Yes, now I have 2 images. Yes, I have 2 images here. You can rename your documents by clicking on this option. You touch the pencil icon here, right? And rename your file as per your requirement. So I am giving the name is assignment 1, right? So as my file rename as assignment 1. Now as you have option save PDF, so click this option save PDF. My file is now saving as a PDF format. Yes, now my file is saved. Now again I am going to classroom. So now I am clicking this add attachment and choose this upload file option. By clicking this, you see what I have made, just this assignment 1 PDF file. This is my assignment 1. Click on this assignment 1. So here I have attached my file already. Now you can click this hand. Yes, and this is the important thing that is showing unsubmit option. Then you confirm that your assignment is submitted. Another more important thing is you can choose your file from any of your internal storage using these options. Click on this 3 dash. You have so many options. See, here have images, videos, audio, recent file, any downloaded file, whatever in your internal storage, and your Gmail, Google Drive. Hope you all understand the process of assignment submission. All the best. Thank you.